A forgotten Porsche 911 was just discovered in a rusted ghost town, abandoned, decaying, and left behind as if time itself simply stopped. No records. No owner in sight. Just a legendary sports car, slowly being swallowed by dust, rust, and silence. And the question everyone is asking now is simple: how does a Porsche like this vanish without a trace? Imagine standing at the edge of a deserted town where the wind whistles through broken windows and rusted signs creak with every gust. No people. No traffic. Just silence stretching in every direction. The buildings are collapsing, the roads are cracked and fading, and nature has started to reclaim everything humans once built. And right there, between a collapsed gas station and a row of abandoned storefronts, sits something that doesn't belong. A Porsche 911. Not in a showroom. Not under a cover. Not preserved or protected. Just sitting there, exposed to decades of harsh weather, coated in dust, rust creeping along its body, tires long deflated, windows clouded with grime. A performance icon left to rot in a place the world forgot. At first glance, it almost feels unreal. Porsche 911s aren't supposed to end up like this. These cars are loved, restored, passed down, fought over at auctions. They're weekend toys, collector pieces, rolling investments. They're not supposed to be abandoned in ghost towns. And yet, here it is. This isn't just any car. It's a classic Porsche 911, one of the most influential sports cars ever built. A machine that redefined what a driver-focused performance car should feel like. The rear engine layout challenged convention, yet delivered unmatched balance and character. Its shape became instantly recognizable, its sound unforgettable. Decade after decade, the 911 evolved without losing its soul. It wasn't designed to chase trends, but to perfect a philosophy. Precision, speed, and engineering excellence weren't marketing terms, they were baked into every detail. Few cars in history have left a legacy this enduring. And somehow, it was forgotten. The town itself tells part of the story. Once alive, once busy, it likely thrived on a single industry: mining, railroads, oil, or manufacturing. Like many ghost towns, when the work dried up, people packed their bags and left. Businesses shut down overnight. Homes were abandoned. Entire lives were frozen in time. But cars don't just get left behind without a reason. This Porsche wasn't dumped here recently. The corrosion makes that clear. Rust has slowly eaten through the lower panels, creeping along seams and edges that once looked flawless. The paint, once deep and glossy, has faded into a dull, chalky skin, bleached by sun and weather. Moss has started to grow where metal meets metal, claiming the car inch by inch. Through cracked glass, the interior tells the same story. The leather is dried and split, the dashboard warped by heat, and the steering wheel polished smooth by time. This car hasn't been abandoned for years, it's been forgotten for decades. This car has been sitting here for decades. That raises the real mystery. Who owned it? And why was it never reclaimed? Because a Porsche 911, even in rough shape, is never worthless. Even rusted examples are snapped up by collectors looking for restorations. Parts alone can be worth a fortune. So abandoning one entirely? That doesn't make sense, unless something went very wrong. Some locals believe the car belonged to a former resident who left suddenly. Others think it was hidden intentionally, parked and forgotten when circumstances spiraled out of control. There are even rumors that the owner planned to return, but never did. And that's what makes discoveries like this so haunting. This Porsche is more than metal and rubber. It's evidence of a life interrupted. Based on its styling cues and body shape, experts believe this car dates back to the late 1960s or early 1970s, an era many consider the purest chapter of the Porsche 911 story. This was a time when the car was raw, lightweight, and brutally honest. There were no driving assists to save mistakes, no screens to distract the driver. Just a naturally aspirated flat-six engine mounted in the rear, a manual gearbox, and mechanical feedback you could feel through your hands and feet. Every mile demanded skill, focus, and respect. Driving a 911 in this era wasn't comfortable or forgiving, it was earned, one shift at a time. In its prime, this car would have been fast, loud, and exhilarating. The kind of machine that made mundane drives feel special. The kind of car you don't forget. Which makes its current condition even harder to process. The engine bay hasn't been opened in years. Rust flakes cling to once precise components. The exhaust has collapsed inward. The brakes are seized. The suspension is frozen solid. But remarkably, much of the car remains intact. The chassis appears straight. The body, though damaged, hasn't fully surrendered. That's important, because it means restoration is possible. But restoration isn't just about money. It's about philosophy. For some, cars like this should remain exactly as they're found, not restored, not polished, only stabilized. A rolling time capsule. A raw, honest record of abandonment, decay, and the quiet passage of time. In that state, the car tells a different story, one that restoration can erase. It becomes a physical reminder that even legends are not immune to rust, neglect, and forgetting. Others see it differently. They believe cars are meant to be driven, not frozen in decay. To them, this Porsche deserves a second life. Beneath the rusted panels and cracked leather, they see a heartbeat waiting to be revived. An engine that once sang at high revs. A chassis built to move, not sit in silence. Restoration, in this view, isn't destruction of history, it's preservation through motion. Either way, the discovery sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Photos spread rapidly across social media. Forums exploded with speculation and debate. Porsche enthusiasts argued over the car's origins, its rarity, and its potential value. VIN hunters scoured databases, trying to match records. Historians studied trim pieces, badges, and body lines, searching for clues. What began as a forgotten relic quickly became a global obsession. Because every Porsche tells a story, if you know how to read it. What's undeniable is this: even in decay, the 911's design still shines through. The silhouette is unmistakable. The sloping roofline. The wide rear haunches. The round headlights staring forward like tired eyes that have seen too much. It's beautiful in a tragic way. Experts estimate that, depending on the exact model and originality, a fully restored version of this car could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. In some cases, well over $1 million. But in its current state, it occupies a strange space, too valuable to ignore, too fragile to rush. And that's where responsibility comes in. Recovering a car like this isn't as simple as towing it away. Every movement risks damaging irreplaceable components. Improper handling could destroy the very history people want to save. That's why many believe it should be documented, studied, and carefully preserved before any decisions are made. Because once you restore it, the mystery is gone. The rust. The dust. The silence. All erased. And maybe that's why this discovery resonates so deeply. In a world obsessed with perfection, this Porsche reminds us of impermanence. Of things left unfinished. Of stories without endings. This car didn't fail. It was abandoned. And now, decades later, it's been given a second chance, not just to exist, but to be remembered. Whether it ends up restored to showroom glory or preserved as a ghost town relic, one thing is certain. This forgotten Porsche 911 has already reclaimed its place in history. Not by roaring down a racetrack, not by sitting under bright auction lights, but by being found exactly where no one expected it. Waiting. Silent. And unforgettable. If you love rare automotive discoveries, lost legends, and the stories hiding behind forgotten machines, make sure to subscribe. There are more secrets like this still waiting to be uncovered.